Building worlds in miniature, the joy of model making. Model building is an incredibly rewarding hobby. It's creative, challenging, and deeply satisfying. Holding a finished model in your hands, something you built from scratch, is an amazing feeling. But model building is more than just putting pieces together. It's about learning new skills. From reading instructions to using tools, you'll develop patience and attention to detail. Building models also teaches you about history, engineering, and design. You might build a World War II airplane, a classic car, or a futuristic spaceship. Each model is a window into a different world. Most importantly, model building is fun. It's a chance to relax, focus on something you enjoy, and let your creativity shine. Model Building 101. Your first steps. Ready to dive into the world of model building? Here's a simple guide to get you started. First, choose your model. Start with something simple like a car or airplane in a smaller scale. 1/48th or 1/72nd are good choices. Next, read the instructions. Before you begin, carefully examine the instructions. Familiarize yourself with the parts and the steps involved. Then, organize your workspace. A clean, well-lit workspace is essential. Use a cutting mat to protect your table and keep your parts organized. After that, clean the parts. Wash the model parts in warm, soapy water to remove any mold release agents. Now you're ready to start building. Take your time, follow the instructions, and enjoy the process. Gearing up essential tools for the model builder. You don't need a ton of fancy tools to start model building. Here are a few essentials. A hobby knife. A sharp hobby knife is crucial for cutting parts from the sprue and cleaning up mold lines. A cutting mat protects your work surface and helps make precise cuts. Plastic cement. Use plastic cement to glue the plastic parts together. It melts the plastic slightly, creating a strong bond. Tweezers are helpful for placing small parts and decals. Sandpaper. Use various grits of sandpaper to smooth out rough edges and prepare surfaces for painting. These basic tools will get you started. As you gain experience, you can add more specialized tools to your collection. Choosing the right materials. Plastic, resin, and beyond. Most model kits are made from plastic, but you'll also find models made from resin, metal, and even wood. Plastic models are affordable and widely available, making them a great choice for beginners. Resin models offer greater detail and often come in more unique subjects, but they can be more expensive and challenging to work with. Metal models like die-cast cars or airplanes are very durable, but they offer limited opportunities for customization. The best material for you depends on your project and your experience level. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different materials. Section 5, Common Pitfalls and How to Avoid Them. Even experienced model builders make mistakes. Here are a few common ones to watch out for. Rushing. Take your time. Rushing can lead to broken parts, messy glue joints, and a frustrating experience. Ignoring instructions. The instructions are your roadmap. Read them carefully and refer to them often. Using too much glue. A little glue goes a long way. Too much glue can obscure details and make a mess. Skipping the sanding and cleaning stage. Sanding and cleaning the parts ensures a smooth, professional-looking finish. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll set yourself up for success and enjoy the process even more. Section 6. Painting your masterpiece, a world of color. Painting is where your model truly comes to life. Here's a quick overview. Priming creates a smooth surface for the paint to adhere to. Use a primer specifically designed for plastics. Acrylic paints are a good choice for beginners. They're water-based, easy to clean up and dry quickly. Thin your paints with acrylic thinner or water for a smoother, more even finish. Use a soft bristled brush and apply thin, even coats. Experiment with different painting techniques and have fun adding color to your creation. Section 7. Detailing your model, bringing your creation to life. Details make all the difference in model building. Here are a few ways to enhance your model decals. Add markings, insignia, and other details to your model. Weathering techniques simulate the effects of time and wear, making your model look more realistic. Displaying your model on a base adds a professional touch and helps tell a story. By adding these finishing touches, you can transform your model into a truly eye-catching display piece. Section 8. Showcasing your work. Displaying your models with pride. Once your model is complete, find a special place to display your hard work. Protect your models from dust and damage with a dedicated display case. Arrange your models on shelves or in cabinets for all to see. Take your display to the next level by creating a diorama, a three-dimensional scene that showcases your model in its element. No matter how you choose to display your models, take pride in what you've created. Section 9. Leveling up your skills. Becoming a master model builder. Model building is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Here are a few ways to enhance your skills. Experiment with different painting techniques, weathering effects or scratch building. Connect with fellow model builders, share tips and tricks, and find inspiration. Look at photographs and diagrams of the real thing to improve the accuracy and realism of your models. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. With practice, patience, and a passion for the craft, you'll continue to develop your skills and create increasingly impressive models.